Okay, so we're going to be working with example 3. So it says Samantha went to the grocery store and paid $11 for her oranges. So she paid $11 for her oranges. If Samantha purchased 2 3/4 pounds of oranges, what is the price per pound Samantha paid? So remember, we need to write our sentence. And our sentence is Samantha paid blank per pound for oranges. Blank per pound for oranges. All right. So now what we got to do is use our multiplication division triangle to figure out what is going on. So again, our multiplication division triangle right here. So what is going on? So I know that she paid for some oranges and they're talking about how much she paid in total and how much it was per pound, how many pounds she got, but we need to figure out how much it was per pound. Okay. So that means if I know 11 is my total, I'm going to split that up into 2 3/4 groups to know how much it was for 1 pound. So then this is how the division's going to look like. Okay. So remember, when we have our fraction, we need to change it into a decimal when we're working with these because we don't like to divide our whole numbers by our fractions. So then remember, if 11's being split up, 11's going to go in the house. That's our top dog. And then here, I'm going to use this space right here to do the division for the 2 3/4. So I'm going to focus on the 3/4 part. So in case you don't know what 3/4 is as a decimal, we can always divide because fractions mean division. And then our top dog always goes inside the house. He kicks out our wimpy dog, which is 4. So then 4 can go into 3, so that's going to be 0. I subtract here and I still get 3. So in order to continue this, remember we need to add a 0, but I need to put a decimal right here and to bring it up. So then I need to bring down the 0. 4 can go into 37 times. 7 times 4 is 28. I subtract here, so I need to borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. But remember, I need to continue. So I need to add another 0 and bring down my decimal. So now 4 can go into 25 times. 5 times 4 is 20. I subtract and I get 0. Okay, so that means my 2 3/4 is equal to 2.75 hundredths. So then right here, I need to write my 2.75 hundredths outside. 2.75. So remember, when we are working with division and decimals, we don't like to divide decimals by our whole numbers. Decimals, we don't like them when they're outside the house. So remember that I taught you guys that we need to move our decimal. So remember, this is our big brother. The big brother moves this all the way to the end. And remember, the little brother right here, or the little sibling, is going to copy him. So because he moved his decimal twice, he has to move his decimal twice too. So because this looks messy, I'm going to rewrite it. 275 divided by 1,100. Okay, so here we're going to kind of have to guesstimate. So you guys are going to try, I don't know, 275 times my 4. We're going to try 4 this time. I want you guys to multiply. If it goes into here, then remember to write our decimal right here. So 275 cannot go into these 3 numbers because it's smaller than that. So we have to check this place value right here. When you're done,